Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking subscribe button and you can hit the bell icon for your notification.
Hi guys, good morning. Now this is 6:30 and when I woke up I found something like outside the climate. You can also see that how it is. Full fog. I don't know from where it came. When I woke up this morning I saw this kind of fog. So I never seen before in the month of September. So in month of September I haven't seen this kind of climate in Pune. Full of fog. I don't know whether it's a fog or dust, I don't know. So you all are aware of, like, I was looking for a microwave oven, so I saw some deals on Flipkart, Amazon and others, and when I compared the deals with the local store like Roma and some other local store, so that time I didn't find any good deal. But yesterday when I went there, they have given me the deal which is less than the online price. So whatever the price available on Flipkart or whatever the price available on Amazon. So he gave me 1,000 rupees less than that price. So I got a good deal of that. So you can see. That I got this. This is 28 liter microwave Samsung oven, and I got it up for approximately 15,000. So I got this matte black Samsung 28 liter microwave oven. So yesterday evening only they have given the delivery, and I bought it, and within 1 hour they have given me the delivery. So you can see this is the matte black microwave oven. So it has all the options like slim fry, roti naan, curd. So main feature of this is like curd. So it will make a curd in 35 minutes. The main feature of this oven is like slim fry and curd. The slim fry you have shown something like no need to fry the things. You just keep oil on that and you just put it inside and you will get a full samosa on inside that. And curd is also a very good feature that you will get within 30 to 35 minutes you will get a curd from this milk. So you can see I got this free. This is given by Samsung complimentary, 2 bowl set, and that is of like one is bigger one and another is small one. So this is how it looks from inside. So I have not opened it because they said that the demo person will come and will give you the demo about this. So yeah, so I'm waiting for this to come, the demo person. So this is how it looks. And another sexiest part and good part of this is like this is the cavity. This is I don't know what you call this, but it's dust proof, and it's anti-scratch. Others will come with a stainless steel that I didn't prefer it because they will get a scratch, they will get dirty and all that stuff. So from inside it looks like this. So I got it good deal, even though in a local store. So I bought it. Yes, nice. Do comment below what you think about this. Right.